Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the YouTube Shorts thumbnail after posting. Alright, so if you want to change your YouTube Shorts thumbnail, what you have to do is go to your YouTube channel. So first let's head on to our YouTube channel. So over here you can see this is our channel and we have a shorts uploaded over here, and then there are some two videos as well. So one of them is a YouTube short. So next what you can do is go to the YouTube studio. So to go to the YouTube studio, what you have to do is follow the steps. So on the top right hand side corner, what you can do is click on that icon, and then you have to click on YouTube studio options. So once you click on the YouTube studio option, you'll be redirected to the YouTube studio obviously. So next what you can do is you have to go to the option for content. So once you go over here, you can see there are videos that are uploaded, and then on the top side you can see the shorts section. So what you have to do is click on the shorts option, and then you can see this is our video that we have uploaded on the channel. The next what you have to do is click on this video, this shorts, and here unfortunately the changing of thumbnail for the video, the shorts video, is not available at the moment. So if there is an option that is available in the future, I'll make sure I'll inform you guys with another updated video. So for now the option is not available in my region. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.